Statutory resolution, Shri Derrick O'Brien, not present. Shri M.B. Shreyans Kumar, not present. Shri Shakti Singh Gohil, not present. Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, not present. Shri Vikas Ranjan Bhattacharya, not present. Dr. V. Sivdasan, not present. Dr. K. C. Venugopal, not present. Resolution not moved. Dr. Jitendra Singh to move a motion for consideration of the Central Vigilance Commission Amendment Bill 2021.
With your kind permission, Deputy Chairman, sir, I rise to move that the bill further to amend the Central Vigilance Commission Act 2003 be taken into consideration. Thank you, sir.
कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे अभी तो संक्षिप्त बोले फिर सबके बोलने के बाद आप अंत में जवाब।
बहुत अधिक नहीं बोलना है क्योंकि लगभग जितने उपस्थित सदस्य हैं सभी इस बिल की मेरिट से लगभग सहमत हैं, परंतु वही बात दो शब्दों में दोहराते हुए कि दिस इज अ रीइटरेशन ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदीज कमिटमेंट against corruption, crusade against corruption, and the earliest declaration of intent which he made after taking over as Prime Minister on the 26th of May 2014, which is that of zero tolerance against corruption, which was borne out by the very fact that in the very first cabinet meeting, the first decision was to set up an SIT against black money. And over the years, the ramifications of generating black money, criminalizing it, have also assumed new dimensions, including the international dimensions. And the enforcement director has a very crucial role, even in money laundering cases, and possibly the only agency of its kind available in India. But for India, most of the other countries have a much longer term. And here also, the term is not being made indefinite or at the pleasure of the government, as in the case of the earlier bill. The clause not less than 2 years is just being amended to go up to 5 years with 1 year of a term on each occasion. And this is, I think, in the interest of also not only national security of India, but also the stability of the financial structure, which might possibly sometimes suffer damage on account of international ramifications. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Motion moved. There is one amendment by Sri John Brittus for reference of the Central Vigilance Commission Amendment Bill 2021 is passed by Lok Sabha to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha. Member may move his amendment at this stage. Sri John Brittus, not present. The statutory resolution, motion for consideration of the bill and the amendment moved thereto. The statutory resolution not moved. Motion for consideration of the bill now open for discussion. Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi.